If your workday is packed and cooking feels impossible, this video is for you. Today I'll show you meal prep that actually works for busy professionals who want to lose weight without losing time. Forget bland chicken and broccoli. These meals are full of flavor and keep you full and focused. We're reclaiming your weeknights from unhealthy takeout with smart, efficient prep. I'll walk you through 4 recipes. Media group, power bowl with grains, veggies, and protein. Wraps being rolled and sliced on cutting board. Colorful salads in glass jars. Healthy breakfast in meal prep container stock who distribute equally power bowls, energizing wraps, exciting salads, and grab-and-go breakfasts. Get your containers ready. Let's get cooking. First up, let's dive into the lemon herb chicken power bowl, your new lunch hero and a total game changer for busy weeks. This bowl is all about fresh flavors, vibrant colors, and nutrition that actually excites you. Start with fresh, skinless chicken breasts. Pat them dry to help the seasoning stick, then sprinkle generously with salt, pepper, oregano, thyme, garlic powder, and a good amount of lemon zest. The lemon zest is key. It brightens up the chicken and gives it a zesty, aromatic kick that makes every bite pop. Massage the seasoning in so every part of the chicken is coated, then sear in a hot pan with a touch of olive oil. Listen for that sizzle. It means you're building flavor. Sear until the chicken is golden and cooked through, then let it rest so the juices stay locked in. Meanwhile, cook up some fluffy quinoa in low-sodium broth for extra flavor. Quinoa is a powerhouse grain, packed with protein, fiber, and it soaks up all the delicious flavors from the broth, making every spoonful satisfying. While the quinoa simmers, chop up crisp cucumber, juicy cherry tomatoes, and a bit of red onion. Cut them into small, uniform pieces for the perfect crunch and a burst of color in every bite. These veggies add freshness and make the bowl feel light and lively. For the dressing, whisk together fresh lemon juice, extra virgin olive oil, a spoonful of Dijon mustard, salt, and pepper. This simple vinaigrette ties everything together with a tangy, creamy finish that's way better than anything store-bought. Once the chicken is rested, slice it against the grain into juicy strips. This keeps the chicken tender and easy to eat, perfect for meal prep bowls. Now it's time to assemble. In your meal prep containers, layer a scoop of quinoa, a generous helping of those fresh veggies, and top with the sliced chicken. Each layer brings its own texture and flavor, making every bite interesting. Sprinkle crumbled feta cheese and a handful of chopped fresh parsley over the top. The feta adds a creamy, tangy note, while the parsley brings a burst of color and freshness that wakes up the whole bowl. Keep the lemon vinaigrette in a separate container until you're ready to eat. This way, your veggies stay crisp and your grains don't get soggy. Just pour it on when you're ready for lunch. Make 4 or 5 bowls at once and stack them neatly in the fridge. You'll have a week's worth of healthy, homemade lunches ready to grab and go. No more scrambling for something to eat. When lunchtime hits, you've got a delicious, balanced meal waiting for you. Lean protein from the chicken, fiber-rich grains from the quinoa, healthy fats from the olive oil, and a rainbow of veggies for vitamins and crunch. This isn't just healthy, it's genuinely exciting to eat. Every bite is packed with flavor, color, and texture, making you actually look forward to your lunch break. You'll save time, money, and avoid the midday energy crash that comes from takeout or vending machine snacks. Plus, you're in control of every ingredient. Healthy eating doesn't have to be boring or bland. With a little planning, you can enjoy meals that are as beautiful as they are nourishing. This bowl is proof. Meal prep can be crave-worthy, not just convenient. It's a meal you'll actually crave, not just settle for. With your fridge stocked, you're set up for a week of success. No more last-minute lunch decisions or unhealthy temptations. No more vending machine snacks or sad desk lunches. You've got something homemade, fresh, and full of real ingredients. Just real food, real flavor, and real results. You'll feel the difference in your energy, focus, and mood. This is smart eating for busy people, fuel that keeps you going, no matter what your day throws at you. You've got everything you need for energy, focus, and satisfaction. No more afternoon slumps or cravings for junk food. Prep once, eat well, all week. It's efficient, it's delicious, and it's a habit that pays off every single day. That's how you win the lunch game, by planning ahead and making meals you're proud of. Take a look at your fridge, full of healthy, homemade meals. You did that. You're fueling your body and your week with intention. Now, let's move on to the next recipe. Ready for another delicious, healthy meal? Let's keep this momentum going. Next up, we're making Asian sesame turkey lettuce wraps, a meal that's light, quick to prepare, and absolutely bursting with vibrant flavor. These wraps are the perfect answer to busy weekdays when you want something healthy, satisfying, and a little bit different from your usual lunch routine. Start with lean ground turkey. It's a fantastic source of protein but much lighter than beef or pork, so you get all the energy without feeling weighed down. For the aromatic base, sauté minced garlic, freshly grated ginger, and the whites of scallions in a splash of toasted sesame oil. This step fills your kitchen with an irresistible aroma and sets the stage for all the bold flavors to come. Brown the turkey in a hot pan until it's just cooked through, then stir in your fragrant aromatics. The combination is savory, slightly nutty, and deeply satisfying. Next, add a splash of low-sodium soy sauce for umami, a dash of rice vinegar for brightness, a drizzle of honey for subtle sweetness, and a spoonful of chili garlic sauce for a gentle kick. This blend creates a sauce that's complex but balanced, coating every bite. Toss in diced water chestnuts and shredded carrots. The water chestnuts add a satisfying crunch, while the carrots bring a pop of color and a hint of natural sweetness, making every bite interesting. Finish the filling with a generous handful of scallion greens and fresh cilantro. These herbs brighten up the dish and add a fresh, zesty note that ties everything together. For meal prep, keep the turkey mixture and crisp lettuce leaves separate. Store the lettuce in a zip-top bag with a paper towel to keep it fresh and crunchy. Never assemble ahead, or you'll end up with soggy wraps. When lunchtime rolls around, simply spoon the turkey filling into the lettuce cups. It's quick, interactive, and keeps the lettuce perfectly crisp. Top your wraps with a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds, a handful of chopped peanuts, or a drizzle of sriracha for extra heat. Customize each wrap to your taste. These wraps are high in protein, low in carbs, and designed to keep you energized and focused all afternoon. No heavy, sluggish feeling after lunch. Instead, you get clean, satisfying fuel that leaves you feeling refreshed and ready to tackle the rest of your day. This method is perfect for meal prep. Just store the turkey filling in one container and the lettuce in another. Everything stays fresh and ready to go. When you're hungry, grab your containers, assemble your wraps in seconds, and enjoy a lunch that's anything but boring. No more sad desk lunches. Healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated or bland. With a little prep, you can have meals that are fast, fresh, and genuinely enjoyable. This is how you beat the afternoon slump and stay productive, focused, and happy at work. With these wraps, you'll actually look forward to lunch every single day. No more excuses, just smart, delicious choices that make healthy eating easy. Your body and your schedule will thank you for making this simple, nourishing swap. Ready for the next meal prep hack? Let's keep the momentum going and make healthy eating even easier. Up next, a no-cook solution that's just as tasty and convenient. When your schedule is packed and you barely have a moment to spare, the Mediterranean chickpea tuna jar is your ultimate lifesaver. This recipe is designed for those days when you need something nourishing, delicious, and ready in minutes. No stove, oven, or microwave required. Begin by making a zesty dressing right in the bottom of your mason jar. Pour in a generous glug of extra virgin olive oil, squeeze in fresh lemon juice for brightness, and add a splash of red wine vinegar for tang. Sprinkle in dried oregano, a pinch of salt, and a few cracks of black pepper. This flavorful base will marinate your ingredients as they sit, infusing every bite with Mediterranean flair. Next, add a hearty layer of canned chickpeas, thoroughly rinsed and drained. Chickpeas are not only packed with plant-based protein and fiber, but they also absorb the dressing beautifully, keeping the rest of your salad crisp and fresh. Now dice up some crisp cucumber and sweet red bell pepper. Layer them into the jar for a satisfying crunch and a burst of color. These veggies add hydration and vitamins, making your lunch as nutritious as it is tasty. For that unmistakable Mediterranean flavor, toss in a handful of juicy cherry tomatoes, thinly sliced red onion, and a few Kalamata olives. The tomatoes bring sweetness, the onion adds a gentle bite, and the olives offer a briny, savory punch that ties everything together. On top of your veggies, add flaked tuna. Choose high-quality tuna packed in olive oil for extra richness, or in water for a lighter option. Just be sure to drain it well. Tuna is a fantastic source of lean protein and omega-3s, keeping you full and energized all afternoon. Sprinkle a generous amount of crumbled feta cheese over the tuna. Feta adds a creamy, tangy element that perfectly complements the other flavors, and it's a great source of calcium and protein. Finish your jar with a big handful of fresh spinach or peppery arugula. Packing the greens at the very top keeps them crisp until you're ready to eat, and adds a boost of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Screw the lid on tightly, and pop your jar in the fridge. These salads keep well for up to 4 days, making them perfect for meal prep. When lunchtime rolls around, just grab your jar, give it a good shake to mix the dressing through all the layers, and enjoy. You can eat it straight from the jar for ultimate convenience, or pour it into a bowl if you prefer. Each jar is a complete meal, loaded with protein, healthy fats, fiber, and a rainbow of micronutrients. It's a balanced lunch that will keep you satisfied and focused. There's no need for processed carbs, and cleanup is a breeze. No pots, pans, or extra dishes to wash. Just pure, simple convenience. Make a batch of these jars at the start of the week, and you'll have healthy grab-and-go lunches ready whenever you need them. It's meal prep that fits your busy lifestyle. No more skipping meals or settling for vending machine snacks. With these jars, you're always just seconds away from a wholesome homemade lunch. Whether you're running out the door or packing your bag for a long day, this is your emergency lunch, healthy, filling, and ready in a flash. No matter how hectic your morning is, you'll always have a nutritious meal on hand. Just grab your jar and go. No stress, no hassle. Meal prep truly doesn't get any easier or more satisfying than this. In just a few minutes you can set yourself up for success all week long. Each jar is a nutritional powerhouse bursting with color, flavor, and goodness. It's a simple way to fuel your body and mind. Stay on track, even on your busiest, most unpredictable days. You've got this. Ready for breakfast? Let's make mornings just as easy. Your grab-and-go solution is coming up next. Mornings are busy, but breakfast doesn't have to be skipped. Enter egg white veggie muffins, high protein, low carb, and ready in advance. Use liquid egg whites for convenience. Dice bell peppers, spinach, and mushrooms very small. Sauté veggies briefly to remove excess moisture. Grease your muffin tin well or use silicone liners. Divide cooked veggies among the cups. Pour seasoned egg whites over the veggies, filling each cup 3/4 full. Bake at 350 degrees for 15-20 minutes until set and golden. Cool, then pop out and store in the fridge. Grab 2 or 3 in the morning, eat cold or microwave for 30 seconds. You get protein and veggies in every bite, with almost no carbs. No more pastry runs or skip breakfast. Meal prep makes mornings stress-free. These muffins keep you full and focused until lunch. Make a batch on Sunday and you're set for the week. Healthy breakfast, zero effort. This is how you start your day strong. No more excuses. Just grab, go, and win your morning. Meal prep isn't complicated, it's smart. You're ready for anything. Let's wrap it up. That's it. 4 delicious, slimming meals prepped for your week. You've taken control of your food, your time, and your health. The power is now in your fridge, not in the delivery apps. Consistency is key. These small choices add up to big results. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and check out more meal prep ideas on Slimsync. Now, stop watching and start cooking. You've got this.